Hi guys! This video will guide you through on how to send a check measure to the scheduler. To start, let's visit the Workflow Manager, locate the job you're working on, for example, order 20752, and click on the Measure tab. The Measure tab is the first button to the right of the blue circle. It may also display different messages depending on the status of the check measure. If a check measure is required, this box should show required in red. Once you click that, the Measure Sheet Records window will display. Then press Required. In this drop-down list, pick the status Send to Scheduler and select the employee who will do the measure. Then don't forget to update status to apply the changes. Once the status is successfully updated, you will see that the status here will change from being required to in scheduling. This would make the check measure appear in the unscheduled section of the scheduler. To confirm, let's go to the scheduler and from here, click on the unscheduled bar. This will bring up the list of appointments to schedule. You have the option to book the appointment by clicking on the appointment itself and input the date and time here. Apart from that, you may also click and hold the orange button here and use it to drag the appointment into the calendar under the appropriate time slot and employee. Once the appointment is saved successfully, the appointment card will be displayed on the calendar as well as the scheduled section. Now, once you go back to the Workflow Manager, you will now see that the status has changed from in scheduling to booked. If the appointment is all completed, click this button, press Unbooked. Then you can change the status of the check measure to completed. Don't forget to always click on Update Status. So this button will now appear in green, which means that the check measure is all okay and you may proceed in ordering your products. Now, there are instances when a check measure is no longer required for a particular job. If that happens, just locate the order. For example, this one. Go to the Measure tab again, click Book Measure, and from the drop-down list, select Not Required. And then again, Update Status. As you can see, the status has been changed to Not Required. So that concludes our topic for this video. I hope you find this informative. You may check our other videos to learn more about functionalities in the Workflow Manager.